Car is going too fast. Tap the red button on the upper right to pursue the speeder. Almost there. Good job. All right, come on. Here comes the police tow truck. Then tap the red button to launch an electro net.
You will
Good
never
luck,
catch me.
officer. Good job, you got it. Tap the blue button in the upper right to... Tap the green button on the upper right to access your radar screen. This is your radar screen. It shows all the alerts happening around you. Time to go back to the station.